Large parts of Joburg plunged into darkness and court grants appeal in e-tolling case. Good afternoon to you. Large parts of Johannesburg have been hit by a power failure. Joburg City Power says it's investigating the cause of the power outage and getting more information on the affected areas. City Power Service names the affected areas.
Electricity outages are being experienced in
Abbotsford, Alveoda Extension 2, Aspen Hills, Basonia, Bramley, Fairland, Fairmont, Glen Hazel, Greswold, Houghton Estate, Lenasia South, Linden, Lynmeyer, Mayfield Park, Oaklands, Percelia Estate, Riss Park Agricultural Holdings, Robert Shim, Savoy Estate, Turfentine.
Our technicians are attending to the matter.
The opposition for Urban Tolling Alliance has warned that today's court decision in its favour may not prevent National Roads Agency SANRAL from implementing e-tolls in the near future. The North Gauteng High Court today granted the alliance the right to appeal its previous ruling and also referred the matter of cost to the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. The alliance says it needs millions to keep the case going. The Supreme Court of Appeal will review Acting Judge Louis Foster's ruling that the planned implementation of e-tolling in Gauteng was considered procedurally fair. Alliance chairperson Wayne Duvenhage says it's clear that most people are against e-tolls, but says it could still be implemented by the roads agency.
We are mindful of the fact that SANRAL can proceed with e-tolling in the meantime until the appeal is heard, but they will have to do so knowing full well that the Supreme Court of Appeal could rule the scheme as illegal, and that would be problematic for them. So we do advise the public out there that buying an e-tag is not a legal requirement anyway.
Eskom's proposed tariff hikes have been rejected by COSATU, various companies and the farming sector in Mpumalanga. National Energy Regulator NERSA's public hearings were taken to Mbombela today. COSATU in Mpumalanga says the hikes will negatively affect the poor and also contribute to job losses. COSATU's Provincial Secretary Fidel Mlombo has called on NERSA to reject Eskom's tariff increase application.
That is why COSATU is against this 16% increase. In fact, we have come here to ask NERSA, to urge NERSA to seriously stop this price increase and no application by Eskom to have the 16% increase, because it will destroy our jobs, it will destroy our economy.
The National Union of Mine Workers has denied allegations that it failed to take measure to salvage the labour dispute at Lonmin's mine at Marikana in the northwest. The union's chief negotiator at Lonmin's decided that they did everything in their power to restore calm at the mine, even though the rivalry between NUM and AMCU caused people to lose their lives before August 16th. Eric Teleshana concluded his testimony at the Marikana Commission of Inquiry in Rustenburg today. The police's legal counsel, Tebogo Matapedi, cross-examined him on the measures he claims the union took.
People have died as a result of rivalry between members of the two unions. What measures has your union taken to ensure that this kind of conduct comes to an end?
We spoke to our members to calm down and report any threats or intimidation or anything that they feel that is not going well with them to the appropriate structure, to the police.
Around 20 gay activists have been detained outside Russia's parliament in Moscow as they try to stage a kissing protest against a controversial draft law which critics say would significantly restrict gay rights. The top stories at large parts of Joburg have been hit by a power failure. City Power says it's investigating the cause of the power outage.